The biggest mistake small YouTubers make when starting out on YouTube is not monetizing their channel. But how do you make money on YouTube if you don't meet the threshold of the YouTube Partner Program of 4,000 public watch hours and 1,000 subscribers? In this video, you'll learn 4 ways to monetize YouTube channel even if you have low subscribers or low watch time hours. Promoting affiliate products is a great way to make money without creating the product or the marketing materials. You simply sign up for an affiliate program related to your niche, then create a review video on YouTube, then tell people to click the affiliate link in the description to buy the product. Here's one of my videos showing how to create a slideshow using pictures and music. When someone clicks on the affiliate link in the description for the video editor I use to make the slideshow, I get a commission. This review video has been consistently generating affiliate commissions for years because it consistently ranks on the first page of YouTube. Typically, you receive 40 to 50% commissions. I'm also an affiliate for the keyword research tool TubeBuddy because it's a tool that I use almost every day. I often mention in my videos to show how it helps grow and manage my YouTube channel. Every month, I receive hundreds of dollars in commissions. Click the link in the description to get TubeBuddy and use the promo code HermansBuddy to get 20% off. If you have some expertise in your niche and want to help others, think about creating a digital product. All you have to do is create a table of contents outlining the chapters of your course, then work on 1 chapter per day. For example, if your course contains 7 chapters, write or shoot a video for each chapter per day until it's finished. Here's a micro course I created on how to get your first 1,000 subscribers. Here's an ebook I created on how to grow a profitable YouTube channel. I'll place links to these products in the description below this video. Promote your course by mentioning it in the video or tell people to click the link in the description. If you're an expert in your niche, you can offer coaching services and help others avoid the mistakes that you made and shorten the time to their success. For example, if you need help growing your YouTube channel, I offer personal one-on-one coaching calls at dropsvideo.com/coaching. You can get a free 15-minute assessment call, then pay if you want a full hour of coaching. The beauty about building your own email list is that you own the list and you don't have to rely on YouTube to generate revenue. You can email your list every time you upload a new video, and you can generate more revenue as your list grows. To build your list, offer a free download like a free report, free ebook, or a free video course in exchange for contact information. Create a landing page similar to this one, then promote it in YouTube videos. I use this WordPress plugin called Thrive Architect to build beautiful landing pages. The more you promote it, the faster your list will grow and the more revenue you'll generate. I use the email list provider called Aweber to build and manage my email lists, and you can also build landing pages with it. I'll place links to these 2 products in the description below this video. Now you have 4 highly effective ways to make money from YouTube channel without displaying AdSense ads on your videos, and you'll make more money. I recommend starting with 1 revenue stream, then adding more if you want to generate more revenue. When you have multiple income streams, it gives you the freedom to spend more time creating. But wait, what if you already have 500 subscribers? Can you join the YouTube Partner Program? YouTube expanded the YouTube Partner Program in 2023 to more creators so they can get early access to fan funding and YouTube shopping features. You'll be able to promote your own products with YouTube shopping, gain access to fan funding features like Super Thanks, Super Chat, Super Stickers, and channel memberships, and get access to YouTube creator support such as live chat and email. To apply, you only need 500 subscribers, 3 valid public uploads in the last 90 days, and either 3,000 valid public watch hours or 3 million public shorts views in the last 90 days. Simply log into YouTube Studio, then click Earn. If you're not yet eligible, you can track your channel's progress towards eligibility. You can also sign up to get notified so receive an email when you're able to apply. If you want to learn more about how to monetize your channel if you're over 500 subscribers, watch the video on the screen right now titled Get Monetized Now, Only 500 Subscribers Required. You'll be glad you did.